Chatty chatty, Mount Amasi, mix up. Why you no leave people business? I said fill down people business. Good God, I tell you.
Yeah, girl. Yeah, boy. Sorry, my credit don't be that borrow some credit from me, just said. I said, girl, my phone rang yesterday, right? So the person said, oh, this. I said, oh, you are you call my phone? You know me, I say, it's a Damian wife. I said, well, it's a Damian baby mother. Yes, pregnant one, the girl be right, but she can't come phone. So I tell her I'm pregnant, she can't deal with Damian in bright. I said, my auntie want him to call back my phone, you see, man. And I used to never cook steam fish game, you know. Driver, we got turn off, yeah? Alright. No, I understand what you're saying now. Me not take care of no man that is married to me, I'm out to order. No. No, I'll tell you what happened, right? But it knows that him and her married, you know, but him tell me say, yo, him and her stop deal and all them something there. They married her the subject, yeah, him say him and her stop deal, yeah, right there in the car, yeah. So I'm surprised now when she call my phone. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so she called my phone and then...
$200 miss in the phone.
Oh, sorry, go right there. What on it, put you?
Come on in the phone.
Yes. So, no, Mr. I just want him to have a my phone come to the ready for eating food, right?
Why you not allow people business? Leave people business alone. Leave people business alone.